This is the creamiest ice cream in the world with only 3 ingredients. Here I will use 2 eggs and separate 2 yolks. Now let's set aside a pan with the heat off and add 400 milliliters of heavy cream. Next, let's sift these 2 yolks. Turn on the heat to medium and stir until it heats up well. Once it's heated but not boiling, turn off the heat and add 200 grams of semi-sweet chocolate. Now mix well with the heat off until the chocolate melts completely. And look at this, guys, how amazing it is. Now we just need to transfer it all to a container. Once that's done, just put it in the freezer for 5 hours and check it out, guys. What wonderful ice cream. Make it at your house, and I'm sure everyone will love it. It's super delicious, and the best part is that it's very creamy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It was another one here from the people in the kitchen. A big hug until next time, and thanks.